Your vehicle is intended to provide you safe and reliable transportation. But do you know the current health of your vehicle? Service Smart is a program designed to clearly communicate the current and future maintenance needs of your vehicle in plain English with the help of pictures and easy-to-understand reports. The Service Smart system was developed by Professional Auto Care with the purpose of keeping clients in the driver's seat of their vehicle's maintenance and repairs. This goal is achieved by periodic, thorough inspections of various systems of a car in regard to safety, repair, and maintenance by a certified technician, coupled with vehicle-specific service schedules. If any items are found in need of attention during the examination process, they are noted in order of priority in relation to safety, repair, and maintenance. Service Smart program benefits include unlimited checkouts over the course of the year, Saturday reservations exclusively for Service Smart clients, quarterly vehicle health reports, courtesy recall checks from the safercar.gov website, priority service scheduling, 2-year, 24,000-mile warranty, exclusive savings offers, and much more. Have your vehicle evaluated today for a snapshot of its current health status. To learn more about Service Smart, ask your service consultant today.